everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Pixi again, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Pixi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you happen to be doing right now and you're watching this. Hope you're doing it fabulously and safely and take care of yourself and your loved ones. And tonight, I'm going to make a tacky Christmas headband because, well, I already have it, technically. We're just going to give it a revamp because I found this in one of my Christmas boxes and it just looks so sad. Like, the snowflakes are kind of wonky. This fabric has definitely seen better days, so I'm going to try to peel it off and save the headband. But I'm going to make it as tacky as can be. I think I got this at the dollar store like a decade ago. But you can see, like, the cheap felt is just coming apart. So I'm going to try to save the snowflakes. And let's see, I have container o' rhinestones, little red flowers, don't know where they're from or why I bought them, red ribbon, and a pretty good length. These 3 spools that I've had in my Christmas box forever, and then this Dollar Tree spool of sticky rhinestones that I may or may not use. So yeah, I got my hot glue gun. I'm going to purposely make it super tacky. So let's get started. Let me try to clear a little bit of workspace. Yay. Okay, so I've got the little baby scissors and the big ones right here. Hot glue gun is already heated up. Let's see if I can tear this apart. It looks like it's just hot glued, so I'm just basically going to peel all this apart. Because, yeah. I'll just cut like away from it and kind of peel it off. So okay, so I got most of the glue and crap off of this headband, and it looked like they kind of used the same model for probably antlers because there's 2 holes like evenly spaced. So whatever. I'm still kind of picking the old glue off because I want it to be as smooth as possible. But that might be as good as it's going to get. I definitely want to cut these snowflakes off of the old fabric and save them, and probably put them back on the headband but make it look better. Well, better for tacky. Tacky, better. Better for tacky. Okay, Sarah, it is 3 in the morning. Yeah, I'm just going to cut these away and throw this nasty old felt away. Toss it. These are craft scissors instead of using my fabric scissors because this is like craft foam snowflakes. I didn't like the way they stood up anyway because craft foam doesn't stand up, but they wanted it to be like a head piece. So I think I'm going to lay the old snowflakes flat on the headband. And then put like, well, first I'm going to do ribbon around the ugly headband. Dollar store crafts. Yeah, I'm going to wrap this with ribbon. Throwing this away. So, hot glue gun. Now, do I want to alternate the ribbons? My glue gun doesn't want to stay put. Like maybe do this and alternate with the red, or this one. I don't know if that's enough. That's definitely not going to be enough. Or the red dots. With this. I think we're going to do this and this. So, more old hot glue being thrown away. I don't want to break it, but like, if it fits, it sits. So what I'll do is I'll start by gluing it at the beginning. This is the worst tutorial ever. And then wrap it with a space and then fold with the other ribbon. As long as I don't burn myself, that'd be great. So. Kind of see what I'm doing, like leaving space for the other ribbon, like coming back around like that. I'm just gonna layer the crap out of this headband and make it as ugly Christmas sweater as I can. Because the snowflake headband idea was cute, but not well executed, and like I said, probably $1 some odd years ago, so like it was just falling apart. Like, bam, bam. I might even leave the green. I don't know. Dot of glue. Dot of glue. I like tacky stuff. If you didn't watch my Shein haul, ow. I loved Christmas. I love tacky. So we're gonna make this both. Okay, so that's not perfect, but whatever. Who cares? I don't. Strings. There we go. First step done. Not perfect, but it's gonna be layered with snowflakes and rhinestones. Maybe those flowers. Maybe gaudy, like Cindy Lou Who, Grinch style. The Jim Carrey version. My husband loves that movie. What's your favorite Christmas movie? And go in the comments. Let me know. I don't know. It's so hard to tell, like on camera, what I'm doing. I don't know if I like that. Let's see what else we have in the craft box. Okay, so the headband is wrapped. It's not perfect, but like I said, there's gonna be so much stuff going on top of it. But it looks like a freaking candy cane, and I love it. And once it's on, and the crap's on it, I keep calling it crap, but like I love it. I think it's cute. It's not perfect, but it's cute. Like me, I'm just kidding. So the snowflakes vary in sizes, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit all of them on there. So I figure I could do like graduating sizes down the side of the headband. I should have done this on the floor. I apologize. This is the worst tutorial DIY ever. But That's gonna be cute. So I'm gonna put the big one maybe on the side. I think it'll look good on the side, like a little hair bow style. So and because that was hidden in the felt, it's not really symmetrical. So maybe I can cut around it, make it look like it's part of the snowflake. There we go. It's not perfect, but I think this is gonna be so cute. I'll just show you at the end, like the final result. And maybe do, I don't know, I kind of just want to do rhinestones and flowers because these are cute. Let's see what the backs are like. Do they just stick to the cardboard? Yeah, they're just on their little sticky back things, so there's no snap or anything. We're just gonna glue them on. I'm gonna need a glue stick soon. Aw, it's so cute. Christmassy. And then maybe like rhinestone flower, rhinestone flower. I only have 5 flowers though, so I don't know if that would work. We'll just find out. Because I already went ahead and picked out varying sizes of red flat back rhinestones. I did use these for my rhinestone boots forever ago. Silver and green. And this totally went a different route than what I had envisioned, but that's how most crafts happen. So I'm thinking like another snowflake. Here. Because there's like a couple gaps along the headband, like right there. I don't know. I'm so indecisive. I'm just gonna play around with it off camera and I'm just gonna show you the final result because I don't know what I want to do now. Okay, sorry I like totally left you in the dark there, but it wasn't really like a tutorial, so to speak. It was just like, how can I make this tackier but still save the headband? So this is the result, and I love it because it's tacky goodness and it's Christmassy. So I might actually wear this to the Christmas walk this coming Friday on Ronnie's birthday with one of my Christmas dresses because I actually like the way it turned out. So I did like rhinestone, flower, rhinestones, snowflake, and I put like little rhinestones in the middle of each snowflake. So I thought it was adorable. Oh my gosh. And I have 2 snowflakes left over, so I don't know. I'll put them back in the Christmas craft box. I'm sure I'll figure out something to do with these, but yeah, they're just craft foam. So hence dollar store. So let's try her on. And I did run into some snags. I had to glue the back of the headband down because the ribbon kept shifting and showing the ugliness. That is the headband itself, but I think it's cute. I love it. And it doesn't hurt my head. Yay. So, quick, easy, tacky, just the way I like it. It almost has that like bonnet-y headpiece type, you know what I'm talking about, like even the Lolita headpieces to it because it's so thick, but it's cute. Quick little DIY in a pinch at 3:30 in the morning. But I think Cindy Lou Who would rock it. But it totally looks like a 5-year-old made it and I don't care because that's half of my wardrobe. So I just have to get all the stringies from the hot glue off of it, but I like it. I'm happy with it. It looks way better than it did before, at least like the decaying dollar store version. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little DIY. Maybe it'll inspire you to make your own little headbands for Christmas or anytime. But I like it. That's all that matters. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Happy Vlogmas. We're halfway through. Super excited. Thank you for watching and thank you for joining me. And yeah, I hope you're wearing whatever makes you happy, because that's the whole point of this channel, especially if it's tacky, if you're anything like me. And yeah, thank you again for watching. I will talk to you later. Bye. Love you so much. Awkward Pixie out. Love you. Bye. 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 Love you. Bye.